on, y'all? That Souls here, coming at you with another unboxing video. So today I got a few pickups I got this week, as well as a Supremacy soul box. I haven't opened any of these except for one. That's this one right here. It is a lot of repeating in this unboxing for what I did pick up, other than the soul box from Supremacy. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first one's going to be this box right here, this top box. Just because I did unbox it already. It is a Jordan 1. And if you guessed the court purples, you are right. This is a dead stock pair of court purples. I really like this colorway. I'm positive it will shoot up in the future, but let's get right into the next item. So right here, we have the Supremacy soul box. So let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the Supremacy soul box. Looks like there's 2 t-shirts and 5 pairs of slides. So the first tee we got is this Supremacy t-shirt in an XL. It's a clean design. It's a remake of the Supreme box logo. And then right here I do have a medium in the white style off of authentic Supreme t-shirt. And then what I have here are some soul slides in the white as well as red. Another pair of white, pair of red, then another pair of red. All in assorted sizes. So I can't really wear any of these except for the slides. So I'm going to keep probably a red and a white pair for myself. And then I'm going to try to fit into the XLT. Or try to fit into the medium. I'm normally a large, so we'll see how that works out. Alright, now on to the other items. Alright, y'all. So this is the second part. I just unboxed the box from Supremacy, the soul box. Kind of wish I would have got a large in one of the t-shirts, but it's all random with their sizes. So I got an invoice right here. This is my personal size. Yet again, another Jordan 1. If you guessed court purples, you're correct. This is my personal pair, so I'll probably be wearing this pair. I think this shoe is absolutely beautiful. Will it make it on foot? That I'm not sure of. Alright, on to the next box. I believe this was one of the ones I got from a third-party seller. Packaged very well. Yep, and that it is. Another Jordan 1. This guy's a size 8. Dead stock as well. I just love this shoe. Jordan 1s have to be one of my favorite models. Alright. So here's the next one. So I did end up opening this upside down. Alright, so this one is a grade school pair of court purples. These are a size 4. These are mad cute. I will be holding on to all of these. I do believe they will rise in value over time. Now this one is from the Sneakers app. All the other ones were from other foot sites. Except for that one size 8 was from a third-party reseller. Same person I got the size 8s from in my previous video. Shout out Darnell. Another Jordan 1, as if you couldn't have guessed. These ones are straight from Nike, size 8, dead stock as well. I might end up getting a few more pairs of this shoe. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So do stay tuned. So that's the video. I got a nice mystery box from Supremacy. I am pleased with that. I just wish that the sizes were large rather than medium and extra large. And then the slides, I'll have to figure something out with those. I'm going to keep 2 pair for myself, see if there's a pair small enough for my mom, and then maybe give the other ones away or sell them or something like that. But do stay tuned to the next video. I will be putting out a video where I am restoring a pair of 72 and 10s, like I did say in the previous video. They are almost done. Reason why that's taken a little bit longer than I'd like to is the shoe is kind of beat, and it requires a lot more icing sessions than the Carolina 11s did. So right now it's on around its 7th session, 24 hours. So I'm on the last session, and then I can finish filming the video and then do the other shoe, which will be probably around another 7 sessions, and then bang out that video for you guys. I do appreciate all y'all watching. I'll be in F Souls. I'm out.